Hello my dear students, I think you all are fine. This is your maths teacher and today I will tell you about the different types of paper you can use in mathematics. I think you all are familiar with the graph paper. So let me show you what different kind of paper you have. So here is the first one, isometric dot paper. You can draw the patterns on this paper, destination also. Also you can draw cube, cuboid like this and you can count the number of cubes. Also you can find volume from this paper. Okay. Next we have squared dot paper. This paper you can use to find the factors and so many things. So here is an example how you can find the factors of 12. This one line you have divided into 12 parts. Okay, so you can write it as 1 into 12. फिर आपने इसके 2 के पेयर किए हैं तो इसको आप कितने पेयर में कर सकते हो 6 में. So 2 into 6. So like this in 3 parts you have paired it and then 4 parts. Like this you can find the factors of 12. So the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. You can use this dot paper to find the area of different shapes. First of all, draw the shapes and count the number of squares. Okay, how many complete squares are here and how many half of the squares are here. So like this you can find the area of different shapes. You can also find the perimeter of given figure like this. This rectangle is given to you. How you can find the perimeter of this rectangle? 2 into L plus B. So 2 into 9 plus 4. So answer is 26 units. And you can find the area of the given figure also. Next is with the help of this dot paper, you can find the perimeter of the park, area of the park, area of this path also, perimeter of this water pond and the area of this water pond. So like this you can use this dot paper. Next let me show you an example how you can represent the multiplication of two decimal number on this square dot paper. So let us multiply 0.4 and 0.6. So here I have represented 0.6. What is the meaning of 0.6? 6 out of 10. So in 10 parts I have divided it and 6 I have colored. Next is how you will represent 0.4. You have to color 4 out of 10. So this is the representation of 0.4 on this paper. And this is 0.4 multiplied by 0.6. So 24 by 100 you have got. So you have to color like this. This is 0.4. This is 0.6. और जो इनका common part आएगा that is 0.24. Next is how you can represent the fraction 7 by 10 or you can say 0.7 on this dot paper. First of all, divide it into 10 parts and then you have to shade only 7 parts. Okay. Now let us see an example how you can add 1 by 4 and 2 by 3. How you can represent 1 by 4 like this. In 4 parts you have to divide and you have to color only 1 part. 2 by 3 you have to divide into 3 parts and you have to color 2 parts. First of all, to add these fraction we have to make the denominator same. So 4 को इसने 12 में कन्वर्ट कर दिया है और 3 को भी 12 में कन्वर्ट. So now the denominator is same 12. So now you can add these fractions. 3 plus 8 11, 11 by 12. So you have to shade only 11 parts. Okay. Next is 10 cross 10 grid. 10 means 10 ही rows होंगी and 10 ही column होंगे. So these are 100 squares you can see. If you have colored 5 boxes here, so how you will represent it in fraction 5 by 100 क्योंकि 100 boxes है and you have colored only 5. So 5 by 100. You can write it as 0.05 in decimal and 5%. Okay. Similarly, you have colored here 9. So you will write it as 9% and similarly 13 you have colored here. So it will represent 13%. Next is how you can use this 10 cross 10 grid to add the like fractions. Okay. 2 by 10 plus 3 by 10. 2 by 10 means you have to color 2. Okay. 3 by 10 means you have to color 3. ये जो पूरा है एक जो है उसके डेसिमल के लिए रिप्रेजेंट करेगा. ओके. सो देखो ये जो ग्रिड है आपने इसको 10 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. ओके, सो जो एक रिप्रेजेंट करेगा वो 1/10 रिप्रेजेंट करेगा. ओके, सो 5/10 यानी कि आपको कलर कितने करने हैं, 5. सो लाइक दिस यू कैन ऐड द like decimals. Next is graph paper. You all are familiar with this. You have used this graph paper in your junior classes. Pictograph is represented here. Like this you can represent the pictograph. How many students like apple, pear and banana. Next we have circular dot paper. This is a circular dot paper and you can represent fraction very easily on this. You have divided into how many parts? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, and 1 2 3 3/8 part is colored into brown. Like this you can represent the fraction on this circular dot paper. Next is decimal squares. This I have shown you 10 cross 10 grid. This is 10. These are thousands. Okay, so this decimal square, where you will use this paper, you can use it in the expanded form of decimal number. So here it is shown to you that how you will represent 5/10. So you have to color 5 out of 10. 4/100. These are 100, तो आपको 4 ही color करने हैं. And 2/1000 means only 2 you have to color. So like this you can represent the decimal number की जो है आपको expanded form आप represent कर सकते हो. Okay, so like this you can use these different papers. Now you have to think what else you can do with these papers. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.